Today, I'm showing you a super cool technique to merge letters, custom shapes, and make your logo look like it's straight out of a designer's playbook. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Adding the letters. Alright, start by grabbing the text tool and let's type in the letter M. I'm using a specific font for this, and you can download it from the link in the description below. Now select the text tool again and type the letter D. We want D to stand out a bit, so hit Ctrl+T and resize it just a little bigger. Looks good, right? Now let's bring these letters closer together. Don't be shy, let them get nice and cozy. Once they're aligned perfectly, right-click on each text layer and rasterize them. Time to add some cool effects. Step 2. Custom cutouts. Okay, hold down the Control key and click on the D layer to create a selection around it. Press Ctrl+Shift+I to invert the selection. Now go to the M layer, grab your eraser tool, and start erasing the parts of M that touch D. Watch it take shape. Press Ctrl+D to deselect when you're done. How satisfying was that? Step 3. Adding a custom shape. Let's give the M some extra flair. Select the pen tool and draw a shape like this on the M. Right-click, choose Make Selection, and click back on the M layer. Now with the eraser tool, erase inside this selection. Just like magic. Hit Ctrl+D and delete that shape when you're done. Perfect. Now let's switch over to the D letter and repeat the same steps. Draw another shape, make a selection, and erase a bit of D. Simple, right? It's logo time. Place your logo right at the center of D. This will make the design look super professional. Step 4. Add a splash of color. Select the D layer and grab the Paint Bucket tool. Let's go with a bold red color for a real pop. Just click on the D to make it red. There we go, it's looking fantastic. Hide that background layer and press Ctrl+Shift+E to merge everything together. Looking pretty awesome, right? Step 5. Adding the logo to the mockup. Alright, last step. Open the mockup template from the link in the description. Double-click on the layer. It'll open in a new window. Just drag and drop your logo here. Hide the background layer, close the window, and hit Save. And there you have it, a super sleek professional typography logo ready to impress. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an epic Photoshop trick. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.